Hey everybody, it's Steve, the special projects guy from My Mini Casa, and I'm here at our north yard with the head of fabrication, the fabrication virtuoso and guru, Craig Thompson.
Hello.
He's going to show us how to weld on a lockbox onto the container, which is a metal enclosure to protect a padlock to make sure it doesn't get cut and the contents of your container are safe. So stick around and watch the magic in action.
Alright, so today we're going to show you how to install a lockbox. So here's our lockbox, two pieces. You can see there's kind of a dip right here on the lockbox, and that is to go over the seal right here. So then you just need to determine where you want your lockbox. You can put it, any place you want. Most of the time you want it about here so that you can reach right here easily underneath it to unhook it. So we'll just kind of decide we want it right here. So I'm just going to put a little mark. So now I'm going to grind this area so we can get it welded on. Okay, so we now have this area ground. This is the piece we're going to weld on, put on first, and then we'll put the other piece on after. So we'll get it up close to the seal, make sure we like it, and then we'll put a tack on it, and then make sure everything is good. One thing we do want to do is these are galvanized, so you want to grind the paint off of them, the galvanizing off of it. So now I'm going to put some marks on this other side so we can grind the paint on the other side. Alright, so I got the paint on there, ground off. I'm going to hold it back up there. Get back on there where I like it, where I'm holding it. I'm going to put a tack on there. I'm going to kind of look under here as I open it just to make sure that nothing catches. So everything looks good, nothing catches. So when you're welding on something like this, you always want to weld the top and bottom first. Because when you're only welding three sides, if you weld this side first, this is going to pull up, and then you're going to have an issue when you try to lock it. And so if you look under here, the lock goes right here.
Okay everybody, that is how you put on a metal lockbox.